Welcome to the TechMastermind tutorials. The TechMastermind tutorial. So we will also discuss about in this topic mesothelioma law forms. What is mesothelioma? Levels. Mesothelioma lawyers help victims take legal action and source compensation for mesothelioma and other aspects related diseases. An attorney who has experience handling wrongful death and personal injury cases and can guide you through very step of the legal process. Manufacturers of asbestos this product hide the daily truth while millions of Americans were exposed and developers survived diseases such as mesothelioma and lung cancer. Asbestos mesothelioma levers help hold these corporations accountable and compensate victims and their families. How do mesothelioma attorneys help asbestos victims? These types of attorneys provide crucial legal assistance to help clients and their families seek compensations for their asbestos exposures and hold negligent companies accountable. A top mesothelioma lawyer can identify compensations option to help cover the cost of your medical bills and provides financial support for your family. Build a case against the manufacturer of the product that caused your illness. Walk you through every step of the process and help provide peace of mind that justice will be served for your asbestos exports. Get connected with top attorneys in your area by requesting a free cost review. Type of legal claims. Mesothelioma lawyer handles asbestos. Mesothelioma attorneys handle several types of legal claims for their clients. Where mesothelioma lawyers will determine which type of claims to file based on your specific case. Type of mesothelioma claims include personal injury lawsuits. These type of claims are filed by mesothelioma victims to seek compensations from the companies responsible for their asbestos exposures. Wrongful death lawsuits. This type of claims are filed by spouse, family members, or estate representatives to pursue compensations on behalf of the mesothelioma victim after their death. Asbestos trust found claims. Some manufacturers of asbestos containing products filed for bankruptcies to avoid being used. Victims can file asbestos trust fund claims in this case of seek compensation. VA benefits. Veterans who developed mesothelioma from multi-asbestos exposures may be eligible to receive financial compensations and medical care from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. You can still file a lawsuit or asbestos Trust fund claim if you already receive a benefit. Additionals, Mesothelioma levied or not filed against the U.S. government or any military branch. Notables: Mesothelioma settlement amounts. Mesothelioma levied can pursue financial compensation through a settlement or trials verdict. On average, mesothelioma settlements award clients between $1 million and $1.4 million in total compensations. You might receive your first payout 19 days or less. Notables: mesothelioma level compensations amount include